Hey campers, Casey here with VanTripping.com, and here I have Mountain Bluebird in the background, and so I'm going to talk to you a little bit today about maintenance, Sprinter van maintenance, and this applies directly to Sprinter vans, but it's also pretty comparable to the Ford Transits and also the Ram ProMasters as well. But this is really an easy thing to do as far as maintenance goes, and you can save quite a bit of money on this one, and that's simply changing your cabin air filter. If you've already done that and know do that, great. But if you don't, let me just go through a very quick video on how to do that. All right, so here it is. This is your cabin air filter inside the engine bay. This is in a 2016 Sprinter. I don't think it's really changed much at all, but to remove it and change it, that's it. And you can see all that dust that just came out of there. You can even just go and shake it out every now and then, see all the dust coming out. I tend to replace these about every probably 10 to 15,000. You see the backside's still very clean. That just got a lot of pollen and dust out. I'm just going to shake that again. You can see we get all that pollen and dust out. And this is what simply is the air intake for your ventilation system, heating and cooling. And to put it back in, that's it, done. So this right here is about a $10 to $20 filter, depending on what grade you get. This is the carbonated one, which is closer to 20 bucks, but that is all it takes, is a few seconds to change that, replace it. So this is a very simple, easy, cheap thing you do for yourself. Don't pay a dealer the $100 or so they probably want to charge you to change this simple little filter. In a previous video on the oil change, I did talk over changing the engine air filter. That's this right here. Also incredibly easy to change. You just need these, I think they're 30, number 30 Torx bits. Remove these screws. This thing just pops up. Boom, new filter just pops right in and you're done. So there you go. That's my simple tip of the day. Hope that was super helpful for you. And you have yourself a great day. Get out there, camp, and do change that air filter. Definitely help to bring in some fresh air, especially if you drive in some dusty roads. All right. Talk to you next time. Do subscribe. Look forward to sharing more with you.